Hey there, future millionaires. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of making money online while lounging on a beach with a margarita in hand? Well, then you've come to the right place. But be warned, the journey ahead may be filled with twists, turns, and more mysteries than a Sherlock Holmes novel. But fear not, for we have the secrets to unlocking the treasure chest of online riches. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of online entrepreneurship and make $10,000 a month? Good, because we're about to reveal the top secrets of the trade. But first, a joke. Why did the computer go to the doctor? Because it had a virus. Okay, maybe we're not that funny, but we promise the secrets ahead will be worth it. So, get ready to be amazed, inspired, and maybe a little bit confused. But with our guidance and your determination, you'll be making money online in no time. Welcome to the mysterious world of online riches. 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog is an excellent way to make money online by sharing your knowledge and passion with others. The great thing about blogging is that you can write about anything you want, from travel to cooking to personal finance, and find an audience that is interested in your content. Once you've started your blog, there are several ways to monetize it. One of the most common ways is to display ads on your site. Google AdSense is one of the most popular ad networks, and it allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your site that are relevant to your content. The more traffic your site gets, the more money you can earn through ads. Another way to monetize your blog is to sell products. You can create digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables and sell them on your site. You can also sell physical products like merchandise or books. By selling products on your site, you can earn money directly from your audience. Sponsored content is another way to make money from your blog. Sponsored content is when a brand pays you to write a post or review about their product or service. This can be a great way to earn money if you have a loyal following and are willing to promote products that align with your values and niche. Affiliate marketing is another way to monetize your blog. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services on your site, and when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This can be a great way to earn passive income from your blog. To be successful with blogging, it's important to create high-quality content that is engaging and valuable to your audience. You should also be consistent with your posting schedule and interact with your audience through comments and social media. In conclusion, starting a blog is a great way to make money online by sharing your expertise or passion with others. You can monetize your blog through ads, selling products, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Just remember to create high-quality content and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. 2. Affiliate marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the world of affiliate marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is affiliate marketing? Is that like when your aunt tries to sell you those weird supplements on Facebook? Well, no, not exactly. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but without the stuffy suit and tie. So, how does it work? Let's say you have a blog or website, and you find a product or service that you love and want to share with your audience. You can become an affiliate for that product or service, and when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own products or deal with inventory management or shipping. You're just promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for your efforts. Now, before you go and start slapping affiliate links all over your site, there are some things to keep in mind. First, make sure you only promote products or services that you truly believe in and that align with your brand and values. Nobody likes a pushy salesperson, not even online. Second, be transparent with your audience. Let them know that you're an affiliate and that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Honesty is the best policy, and it will help you build trust with your audience. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online by promoting products or services that you love and earning a commission for your efforts. Just remember to keep it honest, transparent, and true to your brand. Now, go forth and be a virtual sales superstar. 3. Sell digital products. Do you have a talent for creating digital products? Do you have a passion for writing, designing, or programming? Well, have no fear, because selling digital products is here. With platforms like Gumroad and Teachable, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, software, or templates. And let me tell you, it's easier than making a frozen pizza on a Friday night. Now, Creating digital products does take some time and effort, but once you've created them, you can sell them repeatedly without having to worry about shipping or inventory management. It's like having your own digital storefront, but without the hassle of dealing with customers in person. The key to selling digital products is to create something that people want and need. Do your research, find a niche, and create something that solves a problem or meets a need. And don't be afraid to add a little personality and humor to your product. After all, who doesn't love a good laugh with their e-book on personal finance? Once you've created your digital product, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad and Teachable. These platforms handle the payment processing and delivery of your product, so all you have to do is sit back and watch the money roll in. And if you're lucky, maybe you'll make enough to buy that fancy new espresso machine you've had your eye on. In conclusion, selling digital products can be a great way to make money online by creating something that people want and need. Just remember to add some personality and humor to your product, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad and Teachable. Who knows, maybe you'll become the next digital product superstar. 4. Online coaching. Are you an expert in something? Do you have a particular skill or talent that you think could help others achieve their goals? Well, then it's time to put your expertise to work and offer online coaching or consulting services. With platforms like Zoom or Skype, you can offer your services to clients from all over the world. It's like being a superhero, but instead of saving the world, you're helping people reach their full potential. And hey, maybe you'll even get a cape out of the deal. The great thing about coaching or consulting is that you can tailor your services to meet the needs of your clients. Whether it's personal finance, fitness, or business strategy, there's a niche for everyone. And who knows, maybe you'll discover a new passion along the way. Now, before you start coaching or consulting, make sure you have the necessary credentials and experience. Nobody wants to take advice from someone who just read a Wikipedia article last night. And be sure to set realistic expectations with your clients. As much as we'd all like to be able to leap tall buildings in a single bound, it's just not possible. 5. E-commerce. Do you dream of being your own boss? Well, then it's time to start an e-commerce store and become the king or queen of online sales. With platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or eBay, you can start selling products online and reach customers from all over the world. It's like having a virtual store that never closes, even on a Monday morning when you're still half asleep. Starting an e-commerce store does take some effort, but with the right products and marketing strategies, you can build a successful business and earn some serious cash. And who knows, maybe you'll even have enough money to buy that yacht you've had your eye on. The key to building a successful e-commerce store is to find a niche and products that you're passionate about. If you're passionate about yoga, sell yoga mats. If you're passionate about dog grooming, sell dog grooming kits. And if you're passionate about making money, sell courses on how to start an e-commerce store. It's like a never-ending cycle of passion. Once you've found your niche and products, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to create a professional-looking store with customizable templates and easy-to-use tools. And with Amazon and eBay, you can set up shop in minutes and take advantage of their built-in customer base. But the real secret to success is marketing. You need to get your products in front of potential customers, and that means using social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. It's like a game of cat and mouse, but with more sales and less scratching. 6. YouTube channel. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is one of the most popular platforms on the planet. And if you can create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can earn some serious cash through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Now, let's be real. Creating a successful YouTube channel isn't easy. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of trial and error. But with the right strategy and a little bit of luck, you can build a loyal following and earn some serious income. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to find a niche and create content that speaks to your audience. Whether it's makeup tutorials, gaming videos, or cooking shows, there's a niche for everyone. And if you're lucky, maybe you'll even become the next viral sensation. Once you've built a loyal following, you can start earning money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can monetize your channel through Google AdSense, partner with brands for sponsored content, and promote products through affiliate marketing. But remember, creating a successful YouTube channel is about more than just making money. It's about creating content that you're passionate about and that resonates with your audience. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to quit your day job and become a full-time YouTuber. Sure, let's wrap this up with a bang. Here's a YouTube video conclusion that's funny and professional. And there you have it, my fellow online entrepreneurs. You now have all the tools and secrets to make $10,000 a month online. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes hard work, determination, and maybe even a little bit of luck. But fear not, for we'll be here every step of the way to guide you on your journey to online riches. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and laughs along the way. And speaking of laughs, why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide. Okay, maybe our jokes need some work, but we promise our online business advice is top-notch. So, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, and let's take on the online world together. Until next time, my fellow entrepreneurs. Keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep making that online money. This video will blow the world.